This is grass. Grass. You can see grass in the picture. The grass is green. I love green grass. And what about you? Do you like green grass? Do you like walking on green grass? So, in the picture you can see grass. And you can also see little drops of water. This is a drop of water. These are drops of water. This is a drop. That is a drop. These are drops of water. And these drops of water are called dew in English, rosa in Czech, but in English we call it dew. You know, like Tullamore Dew. You probably know this kind of whiskey. It is a brand of whiskey, a brand, značka. It is a brand of whiskey called Tullamore Dew. Tullamorská rosa. So, this is dew. This is morning dew, because you can find it on the grass early in the morning. It is morning dew. And I prefer the morning dew to the whiskey. To be honest, abych byla upřímná. To be honest, I prefer the morning dew to the Tullamore Dew. What about you? What do you prefer? The morning dew or the Tullamore Dew? Please let me know in the comment section below the video. Let me know, please. It means inform me. In the comment section below the video.